Hello, I want to show you how to configure network load balancing, test it and removing. I want to show you these configurations from scratch. So what I have here, I don't need this server here. This is for different labs. I have this server one, which one is a domain controller and a DNS server. Has two network cards, one for external, for internet, one for my LAN. I have two servers here as well. All these servers are Windows 2008 server R2. All are in the domain contoso.com. I want to add these two server in a cluster, and let's start doing the configuration. So before start doing the configurations here, okay, so this is my domain controller here, server 1. This is the web 1. Which one? The first node. This is the second node. Which one? Both of them I want to add in a cluster. So before I start doing the configurations, I want to tell you a few things about network load balancing, which I think is good to know. So this technology allows you to add capacity to an overload service by adding more servers. For example, if you have a website overloaded with traffic, you can add more web servers. Like in my case here, I will have two web servers for the same web site. Okay. What else is good to know here? You can't use network load balancing with services such as file shares, because the content of the file share needs to be in one place, not spread across multiple servers. Again, important things to know here is like when you create a network load balancing cluster, it create a virtual network adapter. Okay, so this is will be my virtual network adapter with the IP address 10.0.0.9, and the domain domain name will be web network load balancing.contoso.com. Okay, so let's start doing the configurations. I go on the web one here. I open PowerShell here. I will do this in PowerShell first. I have to add the features, network load balancing, and the role IIS web server. So let's start to do this kind of stuff here. So here, what I'm doing here, import model server manager. Okay, so now add Windows feature LLB and web server. Okay, so I go on the web 2 here. This server I'm doing from server manager here, in a different way here. So I go in features here, add features, network load balancing, next, install. Close, go to roles here. Look here, this is success. Okay, that's fine. Add roles, and I go for IIS web server. Next, install. Okay, that's fine. Here, close, that's fine. Close. Now I can test to see if I have the web servers. Okay, actually I go look web 2, it's coming the web server, and web 1, it's working, both of them. You actually don't know on which one you are. So let's start doing something here. Local See, in this case, you don't know actually on which web server you are, because both are looking the same. But let's change something here. Go in here to add something here to this one. Open with Notepad. Change in head body. Let's go here with H2. Welcome to web. This is number 2. Center. Okay, and I go to H2. I close here. File. Save. That's fine. I'm doing the same for this server here as well. Computer. Try to be quite fast here. Okay, so H2 into web 1 web server. Okay, we close this one. H2. Save. That's fine. That's fine. Close this one here. If I'm doing now refresh here, okay, show me exactly where I am. Okay, that's the point here. So one of the point, and if I go to web 2, it show me exactly directly. Okay, so everything is working here. I don't have the cluster now. Okay, so if I go to web NLB, I don't get nothing here. This is the virtual. Okay, the cluster is nothing. See, nothing coming up. Web 1, it's working again. Web 2, it's working again. Web 2, it's working again. Okay, so from the domain controller here. Now what I'm doing here is, let's create a cluster. Close this ones here. I go in tools here, network load balancing manager. But before of this, okay, let's go on the domain controller here and add a record to the DNS for the cluster. Okay, so I'm doing this from the command prompt DNS cmd record add contoso.com. This is my zone, and I add web NLB, let's say, a record and IP address 10.0.0.0.9. That's fine. And I made a mistake here. Of course, doesn't exist something like that. And command successfully. Okay, I can check here in the DNS zone here. Contoso.com, like I said, and look, I have it here. Okay, static web network load balancing here. That's fine. Now let's add the nodes to the new cluster here. Okay, web 1 connect. Of course, it's coming to 10.10.10.0.0.0.10, exactly this one, like I did show you before. Next, the priority, it's 1, will be the first one to be accessed. Here the cluster IP address. Okay, now I go for the cluster IP address 10.0.0.9 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, next, full internet name, okay, will be web.nlb.contoso.com. okay, so this is actually the website here, like will be accessed from outside. I was doing exactly this part here. Sorry, I forgot something here. I go for multicast here because multicast is better for servers with one network adapter only. Okay, go next. Ports here, I leave it like that for the moment, okay? Add host to cluster. Where to? Connecting. Okay, so it's better to wait for the first one to come online. Okay, the priority is number 2 and finish here. I'm waiting here. That's fine. Pending. Let's see. Now let's test to see if it's working or not. If I go here on the web NLP, it's working now. It's connected to the web too. Did you see now? It's connected to the web 1. Okay, so first it was connected to the web 2, now it's connected to the web 1 because the web 1 has the biggest, highest priority, you know, so yeah, everything is working fine now. I'm not quite sure here, it's saying pending here. Refresh. Yeah, I forgot something to change the ports here. Let's see here. If I go in cluster properties, I go port rules, I have these ports here. I remove this one. I don't want to have all that ports. Go for only for port 80. Multiple host. Printed, I said no here both. Okay, that's fine. And okay. And now again. Okay, that's fine. Both are online. Let's start again doing from here. Okay, both are online. Okay, so everything is working. I have a cluster with 2 nodes. Okay, if I'm coming online here with PC1, this is a workstation just. User 1. Let's see here if I try to connect to the web server. Web method load balancing, and look, I'm connected to the web 2. I refresh here. Wait, if I go with web 1, web 2, okay, let's see if this machine is down. Shut down. Let's see, this machine is down. Okay, so that machine is down. Automatically it's coming here, unable to connect to the web. It's saying it's down here, okay, and I was connected last time to the web 2. Now I refresh and it's connecting to the different machine now. So that's really nice, yeah. Thanks for watching here. Okay, so now I will show you how to remove the NLB from the NLB cluster. So the cluster, my cluster, like I said before, is web 2 server and the web 1 server. So first of all, okay, I go on the web 2 server, I go in administrative tools here, network load balancing manager, okay. So That's my cluster. Okay, right click here, delete cluster. Okay, yes, and I'm waiting. Okay, it's gone here. So that's it now. Remove both the NLB future and IIS from the both servers. I go with PowerShell on the Web 2 here. So import manager. Okay, that's fine. Remove Windows feature. NLB and web server and restart. Okay. On this web server, I go from server manager. I'll show you in a different way. Go in future here. Futures. Remove futures. Network load balancing. Remove. Close. And remove IIS. Yes and yes. Remove roles. Remove. Okay, so for server it's okay, close, pending here. Or restart this one. Now if I go in server manager here, add the roles, I have nothing here, okay? Features, I have nothing here, so I have nothing on this server here. And as well on the web one. Okay. Now if I try to go here to access the cluster again, that's my cluster, will not find nothing because it doesn't exist anymore. Okay, you see, it's nothing coming up. Even if I go to web 1, nothing coming up. Okay, it's coming on the web 2, nothing coming up. So everything is deleted. Thanks for watching.